Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where I review and unbox small businesses and big business that support small. Alright, so today's unboxing will be Astral Garden. Alright, I will have all of their links down below. So this is the packaging. It came in a really sturdy box, which I absolutely love. I had to cover up, of course, all my stuff, but she put like this cute little sticker on the front. I love when people just add like little touches, just, you know what I mean? If you love little touches too, comment down below. All right, tell me that I'm not the only person that really does, like, I definitely notice. Small business, I notice. All right, so I cut this bad boy open. We're gonna go ahead. I love how easy Lotsi's. Oh my gosh, it smells nice in there. I didn't buy anything that was like smelly, but gosh, it smells like like lavender or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at me. I love the smells of like herbs and lavender and everything. And okay, so all right. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of this. Put that to the side. Okay, so, oh, she even put thank you, Brandy. And this bag, once again, I keep things. And this bag is definitely going to have another use for it. It'll be another cool gift. Okay, so I love that she put like fun little like things inside of it. And then, of course, oh, I love that she put little, she probably doesn't even think about this, but I'm probably going to frame this, all right? It says, thank you, Brandy, but look how cute the mushrooms are. Okay, love it. And then she gave me one of her business cards. I really appreciate that. Gosh, her business card feels really nice. Okay. Oh, gosh, and she gave me more stuff. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, first of all, she gave me like one of her company stickers. Love. Okay. And then she gave me another mushroom sticker. She don't even know me, right? And once again, I don't tell anybody that I'm doing a review because I just want to see like what do they do for like anybody, you know? And this is just so cute. I mean, definitely unboxing this on camera is really fun. Okay, so what I got was something that definitely needs to be bubble wrapped like 1,000 times to make sure it did not break. Okay, seeds are getting everywhere. And you know something? I realized what the smell is. It is lavender, so I did guess that correct. Okay, I love that. It like automatically made me feel a little calmer. Does lavender do that for anyone else? Or am I a part of the weirdo people that think different scents can calm you down? All right. So it definitely is packaged in there like really, really well. And I appreciate, I am so excited. Look at that detail. It's a hanging, so you can hang it. This is beautiful. Of course, it is a skeleton head of an animal. And then she has decorated it with like iron mushrooms and just, I mean, this is definitely a beautiful art piece. And I really appreciate that. Okay, so the skull was $40.92. I did get it on Black Friday, so I'm guessing like there was definitely a deal. It only took 9 days to get to me. That is really impressive. And then this was only $4.92 to ship. I mean, and she put in a lot of work, like packaging this, and I can really, like, I can tell that she definitely loves what she does, and I think that's really, really cool and awesome. And I love all the gems. I can't wait to hang this up. Gosh. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and review. I mean, definitely a really good company. I can already tell the type of rating I have for them, but let's go ahead and get into it. If you are new to my channel, hey, welcome. But I do squeak ratings because I have a guinea pig and I absolutely love him, and he does the cutest squeaks, and if I can put him in anything, I will. So if you get 5 squeaks, that equals really great, awesome, I love it. 1 squeak means 0 squeaks means I don't even recommend the company to you. All right, and then if your company does get above a 4.5 with me, you get a purr, and that means I recommend everyone to buy from you. And I'm one of those people that I definitely tell people. People ask me all the time, so I'm just like, hey, let me give you a good one to go to. All right, so shipping, like I said, it only took 9 days. Shipping is definitely going to be 5 squeaks. I mean, 9 days, and I mean, definitely good. Okay, so quality, I mean, I'm like holding this and it has like a weight to it. But like also like when I'm like looking at all of the like the detail work and stuff that she's done, like, look at that. 5 squeaks, just 5. Like, and then the design also 5 squeaks. I mean, quality design, 5 squeaks across the board. Packaging, literally, I have never opened up something that I felt really secure. Like, at first I was just like, oh my gosh, this is, you know, you never know, because like I've had stuff arrive broken from different businesses, and she wrapped it so beautifully. Like, she really made sure that like nothing like from her end would make it break, and like definitely wrapped it in so much nice stuff. So 5 squeaks off of that too. And then she even added on like, you know, stickers and everything like that, and just for bonus area, 5 squeaks for bonuses. I mean, I'm definitely blown away by like the quality, the packaging. Like, if you would buy this as a gift and send it just straight to them, it's pre-packaged to be beautiful. So I appreciate the little sprinkle of magic that you did. Like, seriously, I love it. And then, so company gets a purr. It just all across the board gets a purr. I love it. Definitely love it. Definitely. Okay, so this is a little cut-in that I wanted to do. I wanted to show you up close and in person. This, I just didn't think that it had enough vivid detail inside, so I wanted to take it outside. I really love the mushrooms. I think they're really pretty. I love that they're purple. I love the gemstones too. They're really shiny. And I love the details, like the leaves right here are very detailed. And I love like around the gemstones, like the texture, it's very beautiful. I also like the picture frame that she used, looks very vintage. It's gonna go really great with the whole aesthetic I have at my house. It looks really well preserved too. Like, it's not gonna come off. Like, of course you're supposed to be delicate with these. It's really lightweight. It is like the size of my hand, and I don't have a very big hand, so it is really small. So it's going to be really cool for like a fill-in on your wall, and it's going to be very nice for that. And then I really love the back of it, and I meant to show this on camera, so this is really neat. I love how it's got like the leaf design, and it's got her name and initials and everything. And I know I showed you this, but this is really nice too, so you can hang it up. It's very beautiful. All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone watching for these last couple of weeks. It really means more to me than what you think. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every time that I make new videos. Go follow me on Instagram. I post like lots more stuff on there. And then if you have a business or if you know of one that's small that I can shop at, please leave me a comment, hit me up on Instagram. I would love to find more people. All right, I'll go ahead and cut you back in. Remember, when you buy from a small business, you're not buying from someone that already has $1 billion. You're buying from someone just like me and you. And what a wonderful world we can live in if we all got paid to do what we love. Shop small, y'all. I hope you have a wonderful day because you deserve it. Bye.